What kind of a time commitment is required to become a profitable trader? This is something which new traders have no idea, and they underappreciate the amount of time which most of those profitable traders have spent in the initial years. In the initial years, if you look at the amount of effort which I was putting in personally, at many times 18 hours, 20 hours, like going to sleep at 2 o'clock, waking up early, doing things, doing deep dives, going through thousands of charts, 90% of my time was basically devoted to trading. Rest of the life was 10%. Now, that kind of a time commitment is not possible for everybody, and that kind of a drive also doesn't exist in everyone who tries to be a trader. Now, that kind of an effort actually becomes all consuming, and this is why you will see that look at many people in trading are like dissatisfied, because it is in the initial years is similar to becoming a doctor or becoming a lawyer, where you have to really put in a lot of effort, because at that time there is a lot of confusion. At that time everything looks plausible. At that time you don't have a clear direction, you don't have enough understanding of the market, and you don't have somebody who is going to spoon feed this information. As a result, if you are a motivated person, then you put in an effort, you look at things, you go through a lot of history of the market, you try and find some sort of a methodology and then make it work. Now, once you are profitable, the amount of effort decreases, and once you reach a stage where you made sufficient amount of money or significant amount of money from trading, then the amount of time spent on trading decreases. Now, today if you look at it, I can sit in my garden and enjoy my life, because trading is 10% of my life. 90% of my time goes into other activities, or the amount of total time which I spent on trading nowadays is in any given day is around 2 hours. Essentially, I spend half an hour before the market open and spend the first 1 hour focusing on trading most of the time. Rest of the time I might be around, but I am not physically really doing anything related to trading. But this is not something which is typically possible unless you are a lucky person as a beginner trader. In a beginning years, you will have to put in a lot of effort because of the sheer problem of discovering something, developing a confidence in that, developing a significant amount of confidence in your own trading setup. Now, this kind of a journey is useful, or this kind of journey pays off many years later, and that's when you can sit, relax and enjoy your life.